today I was in a mood of making something really special, so I thought, why not make cheese vegetarian sandwiches, and that without a sandwich maker. You must be thinking, how do you make a sandwich without a sandwich maker? Well, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Stay tuned. Now, let's see what we have here. We have tomato, cucumber, onion, capsicum. We have chopped all of them, and bread, butter, black pepper, and mixed herbs. Guys, now we are going to be mixing all of the vegetables with black pepper, mixed herbs, and a little bit of salt. Now guys, we have mixed all of the vegetables and the masalas, and we have breads, and we have applied some butter on top of them. And now we're gonna put one and roast it until one side of the bread gets brown. Now we are going to put the other slice of the bread in the pan, and then put the vegetables in it. Now we're gonna add some grated cheese up top of it. Now we're gonna put the other bread, and then we're gonna push it by the help of a plate. Now we're gonna cook it from both sides. Now guys, our sandwich is ready. I like the crust of this, so I'm gonna keep the crust, but if you don't like it, you can cut the crust. But now we're gonna cut it in two parts. And now we're ready to eat. I'm gonna taste it for you guys. Good. I love it. Just love it. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers.